Hi guys, welcome back. It is December 27th. It is 7:15 in the morning. We were hunting over a cut cornfield. It was cut a few days ago. A couple of my friends and I, we've been doing a lot of scouting lately, but we're having a hard time finding birds. But we're really hoping that this fresh cut cornfield is gonna pull the birds in today. It's been cut for a few days, so we're hoping they're looking for some fresh food and they'll be here. So stick with us.
This bird's gonna die.
Wait, let him land. Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Yeah!
Cut him, take him.
It's awesome. Oh my God. All right guys, welcome back. Today is December 28th. It's a Saturday morning. We're hunting a cut cornfield here. So the fields just got cut a couple days ago and the birds weren't here yet, but we were anticipating them to be. So we did hunt a field across the street, but it wasn't the right field. They were all up in this one that we're in today. So we should have a pretty good hunt if they're back here. So stick with us.
I dropped one. I know for a fact.
I killed one too.
All right, so we're cleaning up the decoys now. We had a good hunt. We saw a ton of birds. They just weren't really working that well, so we ended up with 3. But we'll be out next week, so stick with us. All right guys, welcome back. It is December 31st. We are hunting a cornfield that just got cut a few days ago. The geese should be pounding this today. It's the last day of the year, so we're hoping to go out on a banger.
When they came over our backs, they had their feet down and their wings wide. I'm like, oh baby, this is gonna be.
Well, when they came back,
Third
they came
one.
right in perfect.
I know. I'm like, oh boy.
Well, even where that single landed over here.
Dang, I still wanted to shoot. He was falling. I'm like, I'm
The
gonna
second
do
I
it
saw him,
still.
I'm like, oh shit, he's really. No wonder.
All in the editing.
We can edit that.
Yeah.